Bingo.
Hello.
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 Yes. How you doing?
Hi. Hello.
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 Please
Yes.
mute your devices. Good morning. Please mute your devices.
Good morning.
Okay.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirt or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Buenos días, la Corte del Honorable Juez Sean B. Perkins entra en sesión. Durante este corte no se permite estar durmiendo, hablando, manejando, fumando, comiendo o tomando. Por favor, retire de su cabeza cualquier cobertura, cachucha, gorro, sombrero que tenga, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. La Corte del Honorable Juez Sean Perkins entra en sesión.
All right. Patty, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. Just let you in under the name Patty.
Yeah.
No, that's not you. I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute yourself, start your camera. Good morning to you.
La persona que dice Patty. Buenos días.
Patty, buenos dias. Ma'am, what's your name, please? You have to state your name.
Señora, en el dispositivo que dice Patty, que hay dos personas adelante y un joven atrás. Por favor, señora, diga su nombre. Usted.
Their device is not working.
Señora, no se le escucha. Su micrófono no está funcionando.
On the iPhone, can you start your video? Unmute yourself, start your video and state your name, please.
Emmanuel Grayson.
Say that again. No, I already spoke to you, Mr. Grayson.
Julian Lewis.
Say that again.
Julian Shannon Lewis, sir.
Are you driving?
No, I'm outside of work.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning, sir.
All right, Julian Shannon Lewis, your matter is set for trial. Your officer is here. All right, let's get going. This is the ready, Miss Williams law?
Yes, Your Honor. Everyone can mute their devices, please.
Por favor, todos pongan sus micrófonos en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado.
If he doesn't have a vice, or if you don't have a vice or rights in the file, you're gonna have to fill one out. All right,
Si usted
Mr.
no
Odom,
tiene un aviso de
the
derechos
rights in the file, you're gonna have to fill one out. Read it. It's just your rights.
Oh, yeah. I was just.
Good morning to you and your mom.
I got kidnapped
Can I-
last time.
Let me get the file. Hold on, we gotta get going. Hold on. City of Detroit, are we ready, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
The City of Detroit versus Tamika Granberry, case number SP 154888422, SP 179504111. Good morning to you, Ms. Granberry.
Good morning.
State your name, please.
Tamika Granberry.
All right, Ms. Granberry, good morning to you. You were ordered to pay $240. I see you paid that and you got into the payment plan. I'm gonna dismiss this one case. And then the other case is just gonna be with you in the counter downstairs, okay?
I don't understand.
I'm gonna dismiss the misdemeanor case and then the other matter will close out when you finish paying on the payment plan, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, Ms. Granberry, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Case-
Y'all have a good day.
You have a better one.
Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Terrence Shelton Green, case numbers, State of Michigan versus Terrence Shelton Green, case number SX 464-27321. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Terrence Green.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you.
Howard S.
Appearance for
Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Unless you have one in the file.
Okay. Don't do letter O anymore, so people have to go to 336.
Yeah, you are 336. I think I did hear the judge telling me. Yeah, you gotta go to 336, Mr. Owen. You gotta go to courtroom 336 today. So the 18th, I'll come back here. And Brian is for that same time.
You don't come here. I don't think your case is here anymore.
It's not here anymore.
Because I have,
Information about cops trying to kill me in a halfway house.
They
Put a
took-
surveillance.
they took O's off of me and put them to another judge.
Judge got right.
Print it out, let them, make sure we're right. City of Detroit, hold on, City of Detroit
I'm looking
versus
up it now.
Jamaica Gatewood, case number SP 1703671, counts 1 and counts 2, 207086891. Is Gatewood set for trial?
8:30 judge is up there.
All right. All right, there we go. This appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Gatewood. Please state your name for the record.
Where's Ms. Gatewood?
She just needs to unmute her device.
Ms. Gatewood, can you unmute yourself, please?
Okay, here I am.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Tamika Gate.
All right, today is the date
For
and time. Go ahead.
purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gatewood, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Barrett, are you there?
Yes,
Who's your client? Good morning to
I
you.
have several.
Oh, give me one first, please.
Jaquita Lee,
Jaquita Lee, she's here. Are you ready on Lee?
no.
My name is
I gotta talk to the prosecutor.
Okay. I'm gonna put Miss Lee, you in the, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Miss Barrett is gonna come see you when after she finishes. Why is her stuff in, oh, that's the stuff that she didn't pay is in warrant status. She's scheduled for a free trial. Miss Lee, join breakout room 6 and Miss Barrett will come see you, okay?
Okay.
Who else do you have, Miss Barrett?
Anthony Lackey.
Lackey, I don't think I seen Lackey yet. Maybe I did. Lackey, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good
You need a
morning, sir.
breakout room, Lackey as well?
Yes.
Ms. Barrett, do you need a breakout room for Lackey as well? Ms. Barrett? Did she fall off? I think she dropped off. All right, Mr. Lackey, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. Good morning to you. Wait on Ms. Barrett.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, his case is a 336. Yes.
Mr. Rogan?
Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Devontae Gunter?
Javante Gunter?
Yes.
Let me see, what's going on? You were signed on another device as well, weren't you?
Yes, I ain't know. I was trying to log in, but it wasn't. I ain't know.
He's not, he's on it now today. Good morning to you, Mr. Gunter.
Good morning.
Right. Wrote that.
Oh, here you go.
Because this needs a.
P. Mooney,
No, it needs a lid.
can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? P. Mooney.
No.
P. Mooney, you have to start your camera.
Oh, here, 1 second.
What is your full name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Paris Gloucester.
Paris Gloucester.
How you doing today?
You were very well. How about yourself?
All right.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gatewood. Ms. Gatewood, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor, and if there are reinstatement fees, we're respectfully requesting permission to pay those up front.
I don't see any. Ms. Gatewood, I'm gonna give you a trial date of March the 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
March 30th at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.?
At 9 a.m., I'm sorry, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you. This is the state of Michigan and the city of Detroit versus Ronald Eugene Lee. Case number, wait a minute, was this signed an attorney? No, it wasn't. Case numbers, SX 370-73722, SP 152-59181, SP 152-70541, SP 153-0954, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1707361, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Ronald Lee.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lee. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond, put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter.
Judge, I had other cases, but I don't know if you wanted them.
Who's the next one? Lackeys in breakout. You have breakout rooms 6 and 7 right now. Who's the next one that you have? Miss Barrett. Mr. Dupree, good morning to you.
Pedro Lopez, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
I didn't know I was.
We sent an email yesterday for an adjournment, but I wasn't here. I don't know if he's.
Good morning to you, officer. What is your name, please?
Humphrey.
Okay.
Humphrey.
Humphrey, good morning to you. Okay. Okay, good morning. I'll have you checked in.
Also at room 435.
All right, who's the next one, Miss Barrett?
Pedro Lopez.
He's here.
Did you put him in a room?
I will. Mr. Lopez, Pedro Lopez.
Señor Pedro López.
He needs an interpreter, he said.
All right.
Señor Pedro López.
Oh, yeah. Sí, mande.
It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm here.
Join the breakout room, Mr. Lopez. Your attorney's going to come see you.
Señor López, por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada. Cuando vea la invitación, que su abogada va a llegar a verle.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go back on. Hold on a second. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Terrence Green. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity. Mr. Green, I've given you two an opportunity to speak. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
My client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
You sure you don't want to take it to trial? You get that failure to display all day.
I could. I just like without being able to drive right now. I don't know the time frame between getting back and forth, so I really just.
This is not affecting your ability to drive, sir. This is not affecting your ability to get a driver's license.
Okay.
All right, do you want a trial date or you want to take the deal?
I'll just take the deal.
You got 240?
Yeah.
All right, you flush with cash. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Are you stand down? Understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
Understand that people versus Mustafa.
Yes, sir.
Please mute your device.
Mr. Barrett. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Draw your attention back to January 16th, 2026, at around 2:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of I-94 and Woodward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? The Michigan State Police, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
My license was currently suspended.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. $240 is the fine. When can you pay?
Today.
All right. Pay it. I'll give you till tomorrow at least. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
Are you welcome? Find out who Jonathan Lotta's attorney is, please. Carlos Lopez here.
I represent him, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your full name?
Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez.
Lopez Lopez.
This is an email from Matthew the Tree about Jonathan. Yesterday.
And what's going on with Jonathan Lotta?
Well, Matthew Free said that he needs an adjournment because he was newly appointed and he has 10 conflicting hearings to would it be possible to adjourn it to 3:20.
Judge, I will say, since I sent that email, I stayed up late last night and reviewed the discovery. I just need a bench trial date.
All right, City of Detroit versus Carlos Lopez. It says Lopez Carlos Daniel Lopez. Case number SP 183-50171. Appearance for the record, please. That's set for trial, Mr. Berry. I don't think the officer made it in yet.
Your Honor, I'm representing. This is Samuel. I represent Carlos Lopez. And I had a separate trial today. And if policeman here, I'm going to ask that the case be dismissed.
All right, I'm going to pass it momentarily and give the officer their half-hour grace period, and we'll come back to that one, okay?
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, let's call City of Detroit versus Jonathan Leda. Case number SP 182-58871 U72165-325. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PED 0132 for Mr. Leda. Mr. Leda, would you state your name, please?
Jonathan Leda.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Trial date will be March the 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Judge, I'm supposed to be in a jury trial that day in front of Judge Youngblood. Could it be the 31st?
It can be the 31st.
Thank you, Your Honor.
First, Mr. Layden, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lucci, Devon Lucci, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Devon Lucci, case number SB 184-9664, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucci.
Devon Lucci.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Day is time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lucci, did you request an attorney the last time?
Yes.
And none ever contacted you?
No.
All right, let me pass it. Let me see who that attorney is. We'll try to get you out of here shortly. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, if I may, can I have privilege to move from one Berica room to another?
Yes.
Thank you.
Judge,
You
I
don't
do
see-
have a couple more.
You don't see any paperwork for Lucci?
And when I go and try to search, I'm getting nothing.
Get him let me see. You sure you requested one last time, Mr. Lucci?
Yeah, when I was talking to him, but I move for it if it's not on.
All right, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record. Let's go, Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record for Lucci. Just have a conversation. If he needs one, we'll appoint you one. I just don't see the paperwork in here.
It's fine.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. State your name for the record, Mr. Lucci.
Devon Lucci.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
In the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, go ahead, Ms. Harris. Ms. Barrett.
Judge, I also have Jose Abati, ABOITE. Abati, I think that's how you say it. And
I don't see him.
Granado is the middle hyphenated. And I also have Keith Glean, GLEN.
Keith Glenn, I didn't see Glenn either.
Okay, all right, well, those are the other two. I'll go talk to prosecutors in 4, correct?
Yeah, she's not there yet, I don't think. Jose G, good morning to you, sir. What is your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. My full name is Jose Luis Granado Aboite.
That's your client, Aboite, right?
Yeah, I couldn't log in, so I was like on the YouTube page saying that I couldn't get in the meeting room. I joined a little later. I think it was like 8:40 when I joined.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all I was looking for. Okay.
All right, say your full name again. Let's see.
It's Jose Luis Granado Aboite.
Okay, I see. I think you were already signed in. I think that's Miss Latham is here.
Hey.
Good morning to you, Mr. Latham. All right. I'm waiting on an attorney now.
Are you talking?
Madam, no, I just said good morning to you. Madam Interpreter for Wolof.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here for a Wolof client,
Yes, and that would be Gayu
El Gay.
and Haskell. And he's here. And good morning to you, Mr. Gay.
Salaam alaikum, sëñ bi Gaye. Salaam alaikum Gaye, ñu ngi lay nuyu. Dindil sa mute bi, danga mute sa ordinateur bi.
Set for trial. One of the officers is here. We'll give the other officer his half-hour grace period.
Benn ci officier yi mi ngi fi, beneen officier bi dañ koy xaar.
Back on the record with Mr. Ronald Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he is going to enter a plea. That plea is to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, drag racing, and failing to display a valid license. I have explained his rights, and he has decided to enter a plea, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes.
You sure about that?
Yes.
And that
All
is
right,
against
well.
the advice of counsel. Is that correct, Mr. Lee?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, when the Secretary of State gives them that, 4 points for the drag racing, 2 points for the open alcohol, and what else?
Failing to display a valid license, Your Honor. Dismissal of the balance.
And the abstraction for the license, and then the $720 fine, you may want to rethink it. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 12th, 2024 at around 11:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 4th and Magnolia. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that where you're operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And did they ask you for a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't produce one, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find you guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Was there some alcohol in the car?
Yes.
Was it open?
No, it was in a bottle. It was closed. The bottle was closed. It was in the car.
But had the seal been open on it?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol was it?
I believe it was some tequila.
Was it some in the container at that time?
Yes.
You satisfied, counselor? You satisfied, counselor?
Sure. Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. find him guilty of the amended count of open alcohol passenger. Let me draw your attention back to February 2nd, 2024 at around 11:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 24th and Magnolia. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle, operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what were you doing?
I'm sorry.
What were you doing?
Sitting outside my house.
No. How can you be sitting out? If you're operating a motor vehicle, you're sitting in the car?
The car was started. They just said it was operating the vehicle because the car was started.
Oh, so you weren't going 70 and a 30 then, huh?
Not on 24th Street, no.
Well, you can't take that deal. We got to go to trial on that one.
They said
I don't know why.
How would I be able to go 70? It's not even the crazy.
Well, you said you were guilty. You said you wanted to take the deal.
Yo, I didn't know they were saying all of that type of stuff.
That's why she gave you an opportunity to go to
I
trial.
did it. I did it. It was me.
I don't know what you're saying now.
I did it. It was me. I did 70 and the 30.
Why did you just tell me you didn't then?
Because you said on 24th, so that's why I was thinking like, no. I think what you mean is I got pulled over on 24th.
I'm not playing games with you, sir.
I'm not playing games. I'm telling you, I got pulled over on 24th, but I wasn't doing 70 and a 30 on 24th.
Where were you doing 70 and the 30?
Probably Martin Luther King.
I'm gonna find him guilty as to the amended count of drag racing. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fees. He'll pay any reinstatement fees. And I'll fine him $240 and $240. I won't fine you for the failure to display. When can you pay?
I come down there and put some money down now.
I'll do this. You come down here today. Make sure you come down here by tomorrow and get into a payment plan. I'm saying allow payment plan.
Okay.
So you pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come down to the courthouse and get into that payment plan by okay.
Okay, I had a question because I had the last time I checked on DivDat, I didn't have any tickets, so I just want to make sure that it's going to be posted on there now, so I'll be able to pay it straight from off the DivDat app.
It will be once, but you're not going to be able to get into the payment plan, I don't believe, on the DivDat app. I don't know that though.
Okay, so just still come down there, but
yeah, if you want to get into the payment plan, you got to come down here by tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too as well.
Thanks. All right, this is Ms. Wallach, interpreter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning. State your name, please, for the record.
I'm Ruth Abdullah, Wolof interpreter.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Wolof and Wolof to English?
Yes, I do.
All right, very well. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus give me the correct pronunciation of his first name, please.
Elash Gay.
Elias Gay, case number SP 1717517, count and SP 1756272, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your
It's
Honor,
on you, Madam Interpreter.
okay. Sëñ bi
waaw
ci tribunal bi nuyu nañ la ñu ngi lay daal di tegal ñaari daan yi nga xamante ne moom la police bi daanal ñu liiral ko léegi nii. Okay.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gay.
léegi avocat bi moom la yow la teewal. mu ngi lay nuyoo moom tamit.
fay na waaw.
All right.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gay. State your name for the record, please.
Sëñ bi ñu ngi lay ñaan nga wax sa tur ak sa sant.
man maa ngi tudd Alaaji Gay.
My name is El Haj Gay.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Ireton here.
léegi ñu ngi ak officier Ayrton bi la jàppoon.
may
ñu ngi ak officier bi nga xam ne moo la jàppoon fii si ligne bi. Officier Ayrton. Okay.
Officer Ireton, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record? Let Madam Interpret first, please.
ñu ngi koy ñaan mu wax turam ak santam. Officier Ayrton.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ireton, badge 2518, Detroit Police, 2nd Precinct.
nuyoo naa maa ngi liggéey si precinct 2 bi maa ngi tudd officier Ayrton.
Good morning to you. Start your camera, please, Officer Ireton.
ñu ngi lay ñaan nga taal sa caméra, officier.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't think Officer Hall has appeared.
léegi beneen officier bi officier Hall gisaguñ ko léegi tey la bëtu tribunal bi.
Defense moves to dismiss that case, Your Honor.
léegi ñu ngi ñaan ñu sàndi li nga xam ne moom lañ la daan ñu baal la ko.
All right, I'll grant that motion to dismiss.
léegi juge bi nangul na la loolu pour ñu dindi daani. Okay.
And I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
léegi ñu ngi lay yóbbu ci beneen salle boobu noonu proposé benn deal yow ak tribunal bi bu fekkee ni deal boobu neexu la mën nga nee ni neexu la ñu daal di lay yóbbu waat ci tribunal bi. léegi duggal ci néeg boobu bësal bouton bi.
Join the room, please. Pass the matter. All right. Let's see. Who do we have? Mr. Ragnow?
Yes.
Who are you on? We call who?
Yeah, I have 3 matters. Rachel Green, which I need to talk to my client in the breakout room because we worked out an arrangement.
All right, Green.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Green, where's Green?
Rachel Green, set for pretrial.
Rachel Green. I don't see Rachel Green.
Okay.
Okay, who's the next one?
Past that. Carlos Lopez, the officer hadn't appeared earlier. I don't know if he's shown up yet or not. If not, I'll move to dismiss, please.
Where did I put him? Carlos Lopez, are you here? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Lopez. Mr. Carlos Lopez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Carlos Daniel Lopez.
All right. And Mr. Ragnar, can you put your appearance on the record with your P number, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of the defendant, Carlos Lopez.
All right. And is a motion to dismiss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Officer Morel, Mireles here. Badge number 1449. Hearing no response and have not seen that officer in the main room or in the any of the breakout rooms, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, nothing further, Mr. Lopez. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. All right.
Your Honor,
Who's the next?
I'm sorry, Humberto Gamboa. I'll need the interpreter to discuss the plea offer with the defendant if we could.
And Gamboa is here.
Yes.
Are you there, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, I am.
Ms. Hernandez, can you state your name?
Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575, Your Honor.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. Where did I put Gamboa? Ragnow. Mr. Gamboa, good morning to you. Can you join breakout room 10, please?
Señor Gamboa, buenos días, por favor. Vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 10.
Yes, sir, case number.
Not in there. All right. Did you run Reginald Landrum's license, please?
Your Honor, is Mr. Van here? He's not in the,
He didn't.
waiting.
Can.
Señor, he's here. Señor Gamboa, por favor.
Excuse me?
Señor Gamboa. Humberto Marín Gamboa.
Sí.
Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 10.
Número 10.
Sí, por favor.
Está bien.
Does Reginald Landrum have a license? I can get rid of light, I think. City of Detroit versus Chardette Light. Case numbers SP 128-77301, SP 134-01081, and 227-488-071. Appearance for, state your name. Ms. Light.
Light.
All right, Ms. Light, you indicated, good morning to you. You indicated that you were going to pay these matters.
I did pay some. I did pay some of them.
I don't see anything you paid.
I got the receipt.
I don't see it. I'm talking about what you had to pay here.
I did pay. I got the receipt right here.
Well, it didn't go through, ma'am.
Well, they got my money.
Well, I'm not gonna go back and forth with you on it. I don't know. This case numbers that I see here, you're supposed to pay 240, you owe 243 times. I don't know which.
I made a payment yesterday. I don't know why it didn't go through. I went to the kiosk machine. I got my receipt right here.
Maybe it went to something else. What is the case number on there?
247650851, ticket number
SP 17898131.
Say that one, 24065.
247650851.
All right, that's closed out.
And then SP 17898131.
That's $125. It didn't seem like that went through.
Oh.
All right, so I'm gonna.
All right, I was gonna make the rest of the payments today at 2:00 when I get off work. I'm actually at work right now. I work from home, and I was gonna make
I'll
the
set
rest of the payments at the kiosk machine when I get off work.
I'm gonna set it for a review one more time tomorrow. If you have it paid, you don't have to show back up. If you don't have it paid, I need to see you. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, it looks like we lost Mr. Gamboa.
Okay. No, you
Just for
haven't
you to
lost
know.
him. He's never signed in. Mr.
Yeah, he was
Gamboa,
here.
turn your camera
He was
on. He went into the room.
Well, that's what we thought, because I talked to him here and he said, I told him to go to number 10, but he never showed up on number 10.
All right, he's online, Mr. Gamboa.
Señor Gamboa.
Turn your camera on.
Sí, bueno.
Por favor, señor Gamboa, prende su cámara.
Sí. Sí, yo. Es mi cámara. Sí. Pero ya lo borré. Me tengo que unir a la sala. Sala número 10.
Señor Gamboa, el juez le dijo que prendiera su cámara.
Horn, please.
Sí. Es que no lo encuentro.
Bueno. Okay. He
Que no
cannot
la
find his
encuentro.
camera. Al lado de su micrófono. Beside your mic.
Join the breakout room.
Señor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 10, por favor.
Sí.
Por
Sí, ahorita
favor,
en
vaya a la
este
sala de
momento.
consulta privada número 10.
Sí.
Ok.
Sí,
Ahora
gracias.
vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 10.
Sí.
All right, he should be in there now.
Ay. Thank you, Ana.
Sit right here and some food. I don't have, I'm not a good sense of smell. Something that I really can't.
Mr. Lake, Marcel Lake.
Here.
Morning. You have valid insurance, sir?
No.
All right, give me a second, please. And let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucci. Mr. Lucci, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm placing his name in the chat. I mean, his number in the chat.
Lucci?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for March the 30th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney has time to contact you. I need you to answer the call you don't recognize. One of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you call Ms. Horn?
Yes, she didn't respond yet, Judge.
All right. All right, that's 1948, the last four, Mr. Lucci.
Yes.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, you too, Your Honor.
That's all right. This is the City of Detroit versus Reginald Landrum. Case number SP 185-26021. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Landrum.
Reginald Landrum.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Landrum, I'll put you in a breakout room where Mr. Berry, he's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will pass the matter. Who's his attorney? Who's this guy's attorney? It's when you get a chance, please. Don't worry, I got it. Just leave them there, I got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Courtroom, Mr. Meyer. You can't come to court. Are you scheduled for court today? What time? We don't have to. This is landlord. Traffic. Okay. You're gonna have this call.
He appeared.
Yeah,
He did.
court.
I don't know if you know where to go to speak to the city attorney. Fourth floor, back by the elevators, the left door.
Are you ready to write it down?
And Miss Horn is the city attorney. I'm trying to get her in here now, but she's in another courtroom. Who does she go down to? You can try Ramsey Heath's courtroom, Judge Ramsey Heath. She usually, I think she doubles for that courtroom as well too.
So what's her name?
Her name is Tamika Horn, Attorney Tamika Horn. She's the city attorney. All right.
And that judge is, do you know what room?
Ramsey Heath. What floor is Ramsey Heath on?
Ramsey Heath on 4?
Ramsey Heath. On 4. She's 437.
437. Maybe in there.
Okay. All right.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
léegi may lañ la nga waxaat sa avocat léegi sa avocat lan la bëgg ñu def.
Your Honor, he was able to present valid registration.
léegi client bi mu ngi enregistrement boo xam ne baax na.
I will dismiss for providing valid documentation.
baax na léegi comme wane nga ni yor nga këyit bi kon boobu ñu ngi koy dindi.
Your Honor, I was also going to indicate that he was able to present or show a Michigan license.
léegi tamit wane nga ni que am nga permis Michigan.
All right, if there's nothing further, case is dismissed. Have a very good day, Mr. Gay, and Miss Madam Interpreter, have a very good day as well. Best of luck to you both.
Sëñ bi Gaye,
And officer.
juge bi dindi na bépp daan bu ñu teg sa kaw ñu ngi lay may nga yeewee ko. Amatul lenn lu la taxaleeg tribunal.
Wow, jërëjëf.
Thank you very much.
Safe. All right, officer, is that Ironton? Be safe out there. City of Detroit versus Marcel Thaddeus Lake, case number SP 159799111. Appearance for the record, please.
American Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lake, please state your name for the record.
Thaddeus Lake. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for
An arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lake, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's already missed a court date. He was supposed to have been back on December the 12th, and he never appeared, I don't believe. Join the room, Mr. Lake, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. He's in the breakout room.
Oh, Harry Baughman? Oh, okay.
gonna be one of those days.
Okay, a lot of people.
A lot of people, Miss Horn, I don't know where she is. You haven't heard anything from Miss Horn?
She usually responds fast to this. To the market right down, bro. Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Landrum. Mr. Landrum, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you have to do?
Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Landrum?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You know this has the potential of setting you
Can you
back
hear me?
even more. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And do you know this has the potential to set you back even more?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Other right.
Oh, I got it heavy. I'm disabled.
Sorry, do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your down. Do you understand the maximum? Are you a veteran, sir?
Yes, I am.
Did you speak to that? Did you know that when you spoke to Miss Horn, Mr. Berry?
No, I
did not,
didn't.
Your Honor.
I did not either.
Do you want to go back and renegotiate?
Yes, I
I
can.
would appreciate that, Your Honor.
All right, please do. Mr. Lackey, just sit tight. Let's sit tight and let Mr. Berry talk to the city attorney.
Thank you.
We're welcome. We'll pass the matter. Thank you for your service as well.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Ragnar.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Gamboa?
Yes, but if I may ask a question prior to that, did the police show up in this matter, Your Honor?
That would be a good question. Yes, he did.
Okay, we've reached a plea agreement then in this matter, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Gamboa, case number SP 183-4355, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Gamboa.
Se llama el caso del señor Humberto Gamboa, número de caso SP 183-43551, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Sí, su señoría, mi nombre es Samuel Ragnone, número 23157, y estoy representando al señor Gamboa.
All right, today is the date and time trial.
Está bien, hoy es el día y la hora para el juicio.
Officer Franco, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record? Please let Madam Interpreter interpret first.
Señor Franco, oficial Franco, por favor, hoy es el día y la hora para el juicio de este caso. Por favor, si es tan amable, ponga su nombre para que conste en el acta y espere que, por favor, oficial Franco, que la intérprete interprete.
How you doing, Judge? Officer Franco, badge 1308, Detroit Police Department.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Alexandro Franco, número 1308 del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
All right, good morning to you. What is the offer, Mr. Ragnow? Let Madam Interpreter interpret first.
Buenos días, señor Ragnone. ¿Cuál es la oferta ofrecida para el señor Gamboa? Deje que el intérprete interprete antes. Gracias.
Your Honor, the charges will be amended to that Mr. Gamboa would plead guilty to failure to report and number 2, failure to display a valid license.
Su señoría, el señor Gamboa va a tomar la oferta que es que no reportó un accidente y que no pudo mostrar una licencia. Esos son los cargos enmendados.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gamboa?
Señor Gamboa, ¿usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, señor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentado.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Está bien, señor, puede bajar su mano.
Sí.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí, la multa.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si lo quisiera?
No.
No.
Did you go over his advice or rights with him?
Yeah, Honor, I went
Sí.
over each individual right that he has today. And Ms. Hernandez, I believe,
Abogado,
did that.
¿usted le explicó a él cuáles eran sus derechos? Sí, su señoría, nosotros le explicamos cada uno de sus derechos.
Did you recall the attorney going over your rights with you, Mr. Gamboa?
Señor, ¿se acuerda que en la sala de consulta privada su abogado le explicó cada uno de sus derechos?
Sí, sí me explicaron.
Yeah, yes, I was explained.
And did you understand those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
And do you know you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene un derecho de ir a juicio? Un derecho, ¿entiende que tiene ese derecho?
Sí, me dijeron, sí.
Yes, I was told that.
And do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give these rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, esta oferta que le consiguió su abogado, usted está renunciando a esos derechos porque va a tomar la oferta.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que hemos estado hablando aquí y que ya consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa?
No, nada.
No, nothing.
Let me draw your attention back to November 22nd, 2025 at around 6 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Junctions and Otis Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department or?
Sí, señor, déjeme llevarle su atención al día, el lugar y a la hora de los hechos, que fue el 22 de noviembre del año pasado, 2025, alrededor de las 6 de la tarde, en las inmediaciones de las calles Junctions y Otis en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿a usted lo paró un policía?
Or did you have an accident on that day in that area?
¿O en esa área usted tuvo un accidente ese día?
Sí, en esa área sí.
Yes, in that location, yes.
And you did not report that accident when you had that accident, sir?
Señor, y cuando usted tuvo ese accidente, usted no lo reportó, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I didn't.
And did you have a valid driver's license at the time you had that? Were you driving that vehicle when you had that accident?
Señor, ¿usted estaba manejando ese vehículo cuando ocurrió el accidente?
Sí.
Yes. ¿Y
And did you
usted
have a
tenía una
valid?
licencia de conducir?
No tenía
No, I
licencia.
didn't have. No, I didn't have a license, Your Honor.
Find him guilty as to the amount of failure to display for not having the valid license and amended count of failure to report for leaving the scene of property damage accident.
Está bien, yo lo voy a encontrar entonces, voy a aceptar su declaración de no haber reportado un accidente por el original de haber dejado la escena del accidente.
I'm gonna fine him $240 for a failure to report and $240 for the failure to display.
Y también lo voy a encontrar culpable de que no pudo mostrar una licencia y voy a imponer una multa de 240 por cada una de ellas, 240 por no reportar el accidente y 240 por no haber sido capaz de mostrar una licencia.
Your Honor,
$480, when can you pay it?
$480, ¿cuándo los puede pagar?
Your Honor, the defendant cannot pay this fine today. He is employed, and he's asking the court to give him time to be able to.
Su señoría, el acusado no puede pagar los $480, esa multa en el día de hoy, y le está solicitando que por favor le dé tiempo para pagarla. ¿Cuánto tiempo le puede dar?
He's asking the court to do what?
To give him at least 90 days to pay this fine because he's unemployed today and he doesn't have any money to make it.
Él está pidiendo que por favor le den más tiempo, por lo menos 3 meses, 90 días para pagar, porque él no tiene trabajo actualmente.
I'm going to give him 30 days, April the 13th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. I will mark the file allow payment plan. So if you can't pay it, then come down to the court and get into a payment plan by April the 13th.
Señor, yo le voy a dar hasta el día 13 de abril para que usted pague. Si usted no puede pagar todo eso para el 13 de abril, tiene que venir a la corte en persona con su ticket y hacer un acuerdo de pago. ¿Entiende?
Sí lo tendría para esa fecha, pero la tendría que ir a pagar hasta allá, donde me dice en la oficina.
Okay, I will have it for that date, but do I have to go and pay it that day in person?
You can either pay it in person or pay it on the DivDat kiosk. There are other ways to pay it. Those are just the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Señor, usted podría venir en persona y pagarlo, o puede pagarlo en los kioscos que están, son unas máquinas como las máquinas de banco que están alrededor de la ciudad que se llaman DivDat, donde uno paga la luz y paga el agua y paga los servicios. ¿Sabes cuáles son?
Sí.
Ok, y si no, no lo quiere pagar allí, puede bajar la aplicación de esos kioscos en su teléfono y pagarlo por teléfono con la aplicación.
Sí,
Esos
sí,
son los 2 mejores formas que yo le puedo dar para pagar.
la primera forma yo creo que pagaría.
Oh, yes. Okay, I will take the first one.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede desconectar.
Igualmente, gracias.
Thank you.
Yes, thank
Good
you.
luck,
Same for
Mr.
you. Thank
Mr.
you.
Gamboa. Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias,
Thank you,
señor
Ms.
Gamboa,
Hernandez.
le dice su abogado.
Sí.
El señor Regnone. Thank you, Mr. Lawyer.
Gracias.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Same to
Thank
you.
you, Your
Thank you
Honor.
very, very much. Se puede desconectar, salir, dejar, abandonar. Leave.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcel Lake. Mr. Lake, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lake?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Sir.
Ms. Harris, I think he's paid 2 related civil infractions. Did you discuss that with the city?
I didn't know that, Your Honor. Give me just one moment and I will discuss that.
See. He paid expired plate ticket that was related to this, 174, and a seatbelt ticket that was related to this, $78. I'll pass the matter, give you an opportunity to speak with the city. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Reginald Landrum. Mr. Berry, any change in the offer?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
The matter is to be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right. Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I need to switch devices.
Go ahead, switch devices. Mr. Lanham, thank you for your service. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor, they're not accepting him in the other device. I have to
Go
go.
ahead.
Yes,
Switch. I'll let him back in.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Marcel Gooden. Case number is SP 1837893, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gooden. Unmute, Mr.
Marcel
Gooden.
Gooden, can you unmute yourself, please, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marcellus Gooden.
Marcellus Gooden. All right. Today's date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Gooden. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
We'll pass the matter. Wandali Gibson. Your matter, good morning to you. Your matter is not set until the 16th of March. Wandali Gibson.
No, my name is Jerry Gibson.
Name is who?
Jerry Gibson.
Oh, Jerry Gibson. Oh,
Yes.
You were on that device. Okay. All right. Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're ready on Jamie Lewis and Julian Lewis.
Right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Julian Shannon Lewis. Case numbers SP 815918, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name.
Julian Shannon Lewis.
Judge, there is a stipulation and agreement that the instant case would be dismissed. There will be no trial today. The case will be dismissed. I stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal based on lack of recollection from the complaining witness.
Right, I will see that Officer Eben did appear, and I will dismiss the case. No recollection. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Jamie Renee Lewis. Case numbers SP 1250409, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1408337, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1823899, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182390001. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Jamie Lewis.
Judge, we have an
Good morning.
agreement. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lewis. Day is the date and time set for a trial. There were, I think, a number of officers. Obviously, Vickers did not appear. I didn't see Officer Sanchez. Who's got their television on?
Please mute your devices.
All right. Officer Sanchez, I don't believe I've seen an Officer Sanchez either.
Those will be dismissed, Judge. And Officer Bush was here. The prosecutor agreed.
All right, what's the offer?
Plea to expire plates. She's advised, and ready.
Expire plates, the civil infraction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause as to each matter being dismissed here as part of today's agreement.
All right, I'll grant the motion for dismissal for the officer's non-presence. And with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of as charged to the expired plate, not the amended count, as charged to the expired plate. And then the other matters will be dismissed. Officer Bush, are you there? I think he left. Expired plates is 145. And then you owe some other civil infractions that were from a long time ago. So I'll waive the warrant fees.
Thank you.
When can you pay it, ma'am?
The 145, I can pay that today.
All right. And you owe some other stuff. I'll give you till tomorrow to pay the 145. I forgot to let everybody know, take advantage of the amnesty program. It started March the 9th. It's going through April the 2nd. And I did see on one of the Instagram things that somebody said that they're trying to get you down there to take you to jail. That's not what it's all about. It's just not what it's all about. It's all about reducing, saving you some money, and the court can get some money. Everybody, you get a license and they get their money, and that's what it's about. All right. So they're not even taking people to jail for driving offenses too much anymore at all. All right. You pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, man, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it, but those are the two best ways. I wish you the best of luck. Have it paid by tomorrow. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You're welcome.
Bye, everybody.
Mr. Baughman?
Yes, bye.
All right, very well. Miss Gaten Robinson, are you ready? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lake. Oh, not yet. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooden. Mr. Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
If the court could confirm that Mr. Gooden has a valid license.
His license, please, Ms. Williams. Mr. Gooden, can you turn your background noise off, please? His license is good. It's valid, Mr. Berry. Mr. Gooden's license is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Mr. Gooden has shown valid insurance. We'd seek dismissal.
All right, Mr. Gooden, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. You do owe some money to the court on some old matters. You might want to take advantage of the amnesty program. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Regina Gray. Case number SP 125-23461, SP 156-23531, SP 16117302, SP 17040771, SP 1742278, State of Michigan versus Regina Gray, case number SX 44852171. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Regina Gray.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, Ms. Gray, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. And I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Gray has some matters that she could use, benefit from the amnesty program as well. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right. Let's go back on, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lake. Mr. Lake, Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to negotiate. Anything change?
Yes, Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the cases because you paid related civil infractions, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. I'll waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lake.
So I don't have to pay it?
You don't have to pay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ucelis Gutierrez Contreras. Case number
Yes, Your Honor.
185-314-9, counts 1, 2, and 3. Good morning to you. State appearance for the record, please.
What was that, Your Honor? Sorry.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gutierrez Contreras. Please state your name for the record. I apologize if I mispronounced it.
Ulysses Gutierrez Contreras.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a pretrial. There should be a no insurance civil on here that I don't see, or what one is it? Yeah, no insurance civil. Mr. Contreras, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Mrs. Hernandez, who else do you have? Is Ms. Hernandez still here? Yes, she's in there with Mitch Barrett. All right, great. All right, we're moving along now. Are we ready on, well, not yet.
It's kind of long.
You hear it?
Here in the phone ring all the time.
Who is the courtroom is that?
Judge Garrett.
Judge Austin Garrett.
Oh, is there over there?
I'm
Oh,
talking all the time. Distract.
I can't hear.
I know. I
You
trying
got,
to be distracted.
all the women have supersonic.
They be distracting me.
So what ended up happening to Chauncey Billups today?
Nothing yet.
They didn't give him no time.
No, they got it. That's a fair case.
Take a while.
They're gonna take a while.
It's a lot of other names that came out now.
That with that gambling stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Why are they so surprised?
I'm
I'm not
not
surprised.
surprised though.
That's probably been going on for so long.
You see this fool over here, and he always call him his granddad. He's so stupid. No. I'll show it to you later. He always call him his granddad be cussing him out.
Should I? Do you have like really cases you can case and stuff? And are you coming back? Let me pull you up.
Ms. Gaten Robinson, are we ready on Gunter?
Yes, Your Honor. I've just spoken with the prosecutor and his matters are going to be dismissed for valid documentation.
City of Detroit versus Javante Kevin Gunter, case number SP 185-8186, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Gunter. Mr. Gunter, please state your name for the record.
Javante Kevin Gunter.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a, what is it set for, Ms. Gaten Robinson? Pre-trial?
I believe so, Your Honor.
And you got one.
No, show cause. Purposes of the
Apologize.
rain.
We waive formal reading of the information and we stand mute.
And will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You say dismissal for valid documentation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, he owed a seatbelt ticket. You didn't, no seatbelt ticket. Did you have a chance to discuss that with the city? I know it's been in default. You can discuss it.
I was not aware that there was a seatbelt ticket there. I can pop back in and speak to Ms. Horn about it.
Do that, please.
Thank you.
Okay, so.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much.
You all right?
Yes, I'm good, and you?
They didn't let you come in here yesterday, huh?
No, Joyce had me doing, knocking out this traffic.
The boss lady, huh?
Yes, boss lady.
So why don't you wait till tomorrow and make sure it's clear? Because he gave you today's. Let the computer clear it out. Clear it out. Clear it out.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ms. Goss.
I'll pay it tomorrow.
Did anyone call my name?
No, not yet. You're gonna be the last one.
Okay.
All right. Are we back on the record with Mr. Gunter?
Yes, Your Honor. I have spoken with the prosecutor. She has indicated to me that she has no objection to setting aside the default if there are late fees and penalties that have accumulated, they're being set aside. But as she has dismissed the other two misdemeanor matters, she would prefer that Mr. Gunter pay that seatbelt ticket.
All right, you owe $75 on the seatbelt. They wouldn't give you any love on that, Mr. Gunter.
Okay.
All right.
So pay $75?
For the seatbelt ticket,
75.
yes, sir.
How do you have a seatbelt on one of those? What is that? You have a seatbelt in that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Well, $75. Unless $75. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. We'll dismiss the misdemeanor.
So just
Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And there's other ways, but those are the two best ways. All right.
So I don't gotta
Mr.
go to
Gunter,
court no more?
Pardon me?
Yes, ma'am.
please pay that within 14
Yes,
days
ma'am.
so you don't get any more fees and penalties added to it.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. You all set, Ms. Gaten Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Thank you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the driver's license suspended charge ending in 2781 and failure to display for the matter ending in 2171. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
He's got to look at Joe. He's like a hippie. He just believes everything.
All right, you got to be quiet, please. Can you raise your right hand, please? Not you, Miss Gray. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 13th, 2025 at around 1:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Evergreen and Orange Lawn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
My license suspended.
Very well. I'm gonna find her guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Let me draw your attention back to January 28th, 2025 at around 3:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Southfield Freeway and Joy Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Michigan State Police?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid, did an officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so then either, could you, ma'am?
No.
And because your license was suspended?
Yes.
I find you guilty of amended count of failure to display. I won't fine you for the failure to display. You owe some other civil infractions. I will waive the warrant fee. I'll fine you $240 for the allowing. I will dismiss that upon payment. So you owe some other civil infractions. Those you can take advantage of the amnesty now. I'm concerned about the $240. When can you pay it?
Probably like in 2 weeks.
Give me a date, ma'am. Put a date on it, please.
What's the day?
Today is the 12th.
12.
This would be the 27th.
I was just about to say the 27th. I can do it.
Come back on the 27th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Larry Globe, case number SP 184-9045, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-91971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Globe.
Larry Globe.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Globe, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry there, Mr. Globe, you owe 3 civil infractions from 2018, one of which is a no insurance proof that's potentially preventing you from getting a valid driver's license. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Globe. Mr. Globe, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room,
Yes, sir.
we'll pass the matter.
How much is that no insurance proof?
It's down to 190 now, but obviously the reinstatement fee, they probably want it before they apply anything to the reinstatement fee. It's down to 190. All right, let's call this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes. Here's a recommendation to dismiss.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, per city attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
And your buddy, have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, Lackey, that's Mrs. I think that's
mine,
Lackey.
Judge.
Yeah, are you ready on Lackey?
We need a bench trial date, Judge, because I got to get discovery for him.
State of Michigan versus Anthony Spencer Lamont Lackey, case number SX 4635759, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Mr. Lackey. We requested a bench trial date. I need to get discovery in his matter.
Mr. Lackey, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Where is Mr. Lackey?
Did he come out of the breakout room?
I don't know.
Oh, well, maybe he didn't come out. Judge, well, was he in 7? I guess he didn't come out.
I think he fell off. Let's pass that matter. Ms. Harris,
I just sent him a prompt to come out. I think he's in 7. Is it Anthony Lackey?
Yes. I'm also ready on Pedro Lopez, Judge.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus LaBrisha Ann Grimes. I hope I got it right. Case number SP 131-2011, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. You want to run her license, please?
Veronica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grimes. And Your Honor, could I have the date of the offense?
Yeah, it was older. I'll have to see. Ms. Grimes, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
LaBrisha Grimes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
The date of the allegation was February 9th, 2022. Ms. Grimes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. What is it set for?
It is pre-trial, Your Honor.
All right, there we go.
Is there an officer listed?
Generic. I don't know. It said generic. So the officer, I have the ticket here. The Officer Whitehead. All right. Ms. Grimes, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. All right. Did Mr. Lackey come out? All right, let's go back. Now Ms. Barrett hasn't come out.
Hey, Your Honor.
Yes.
I think I need to go back in the break room. I accidentally.
I think you're all right. Turn your camera on.
Okay.
She indicated, all right, let's go back on the record with Lackey. She indicated that the trial date.
Yes.
All right, trial date is gonna be March the, let me pull her out, just so we don't have any confusion.
Okay.
Now let's go back on the record with Lackey. The trial date is gonna be March the 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m.
March 31st.
At 9 a.m.
I don't know if that's enough time for the discovery, but March 31st. All right. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Mr. Lackey, best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Pedro Lopez. This is your client, Miss Pedro Lopez, and Miss Hernandez. This is one of your clients too. All right.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pedro Lopez. Case number SP 1811356, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit con el señor Pedro López, número de caso SP 181-1356, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, comenzando por su abogada.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Pedro Lopez. We need a pretrial date. Oh, I'm sorry.
Buenos días, Malita Barrett representando al señor Pedro López. Nosotros necesitamos, ay, disculpe, señor intérprete.
We requested a pretrial date so I can get the discovery. He needs to speak with the immigration attorney also.
Su señoría, nosotros estamos pidiendo otra continuación de una consulta previa al juicio para yo tener toda la información y también para que él consulte con un abogado de inmigración.
I'll give you a pretrial date of March the 30th, 2026. And if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. And
Judge,
best of
what
luck
time? What time?
At 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Está bien, señor Pérez, señor Pedro Pérez López.
Sí.
Le voy a dar hasta el día 30 de marzo del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Ese es el día de su próxima consulta previa al juicio por Zoom con el mismo número de hoy.
Ok. A las 8:30, ¿verdad?
8:30, right?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Up to you. Who else do you have, Miss?
Judge, I also have a Boti. He wasn't here earlier, but he's here now, so I need him to go to a breakout room.
A boat? Oh, yeah. All right, Mr. Granado, I'm gonna send you to the breakout room number 5. And Miss,
He needs interpreter, Your Honor?
no, I don't believe so.
Okay.
Jose Granado, do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, breakout room, please.
Thank
Judge,
right,
I do have another one, but I need to do a Bote. The other one I had, she needs a bench trial date also.
Who's that?
Hold on one second, Judge.
All right, Mr. Pedro Lopez, he's gone.
Oh, Jaquita Lee, but I have to bring her out.
All right, City of, let's go back on the record with Mr. Globe. Mr. Globe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of failure to display for the improper license charge ending in 0451.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Globe?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do.
Do you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I believe so.
Well, you could pay this $190 on this no insurance proof. You can potentially bring yourself a valid driver's license in. You want to take that opportunity?
Yeah, you say all I need to do is what?
That $190 on that no insurance proof is what's for stopping you from getting the license here. Now, I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that's stopping you from getting a license here.
So, and you said my option will be what?
To go pay that $190. You already paid $50 on it. Pay that $190, and that should get you clearances. Then try to go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a valid license. I'll give you till March the 30th.
All right, yeah, I want to do that.
So pay that as soon as possible. You owe 2 other civil infractions, but those are going to need to be paid at some time. But those aren't affecting your license. Just the no insurance proof, $190.
Let me write that down. $190.
Yeah, I'll give you the case number.
Already.
18-516-7102. 18-516-7102. You can pay that at the DivDat kiosk, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. You get a clearance and then go to the Secretary of State. If you set the matter to Secretary of State, if they don't give you a license, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout on everything that's affecting your license. If you don't have anything further, come back on March the 30th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Ramon Truville Lee Lewis. Case number SP 184-36731. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Ramon Trevely Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Your offer is going to be pleading as charged, $500 fine that's going to be due in 30 days, 12-month delayed sentence, and a gun safety course. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put him in the breakout room. Mr. Lewis, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grimes. Ms. Harris, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor. She paid 3 related civil infractions. And she's also inquiring as to whether with the dismissals, will she still have a reinstatement fee that needs to be paid?
I don't see anything but warrant fees, and I'm waiving those. Ma'am, I'm going to dismiss the case for paying related civil infractions. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you so much. So I should be able to go get my license without any other fees?
You should have been able to go get your license. These weren't affecting your license.
They told me I had to do this first.
Well, because you probably have warrants out. That's probably why. All right, you should be able to go get a license. Hopefully you can. I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Dominique Charnel Lever. Case number SP 185-4305, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Dominique Lever.
All right. Well, good morning to you, ma'am. You need to turn your camera on.
Okay. Okay.
Well, I need to see you. That doesn't make any sense.
I'm
right.
on now.
Pardon me?
I said I'm on here now.
All right, very well. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lever owes $120 for parking in the handicap zone. And then she owes in no insurance proof $240. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Lever an updated offer. Keep in mind, and those are not related to this case. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lever, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right, we'll pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Ms. Lee?
Yeah, she needs a bench trial date, Judge. I got to get the discovery.
City of Detroit versus Janiqua Lee. Case numbers SP 183-6147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Jaquita Lee, Judge, requesting bench trial date, get discovery.
Ms. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Janiqua Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. You still owe 2 other matters you never paid.
Yes,
you want
I tried to pay
date?
I tried to pay last week, but my tether agent let me know that I had a warrant out for my arrest. I had to go get it lifted. So I got to come back on the 18th.
They didn't let you pay those 2 things. You're not on tether with me.
No, I'm on tether with Wayne County.
All right, Miss Lee, next time you come in, bring some more than the strap, than the string top, okay?
Bring what?
Have more on than the string top, okay?
Okay.
Please. All right, you want a trial date? Trial date March 31st, 2026. If it's nothing further, Miss Lee, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, any more, Miss?
Mr. Abati is getting a request. Yes.
All right, a trial as well?
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Granada Abote, case number SP 1722931, SP 1836584, counts 1, 2, and 3, and State of Michigan versus Jose Granado Abote, case number strike that, SX463467, counts 1, 2, and 3. He owes a lot of money as well on some matters he pled guilty to. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Jose Granada Abote, Judge. He's requesting a bench trial date.
State your name for the record, sir, please.
Jose Granado Aboite.
Day is date and time set for a pre-trial, and your client wants a trial date, correct?
Yes, I'm sorry.
All right, trial date is going to be March the 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Abote, you have nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thanks,
All right,
Your Honor. You have a good day as well. I'll see you.
I think that's it for me, Judge. Have a good one.
Okay. All right, very well. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Judge, can you give me a moment before we go to the next case, please? Or are we ready?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Give me a quick second.
Go ahead. I lied, Miss Goss. You're not going to be last.
Your Honor, I have 3 more. One
And who
is
are you?
here. I'm Mr. Hernandez. Hello.
I don't think Mr. Hernandez. I don't know.
No. I have here. I'm here still for 3 more. I have Amado Granados, but the other 2 have not signed yet.
I don't see. Oh, Armando Granados. Okay, I see him. Okay, we'll get him out of here.
Okay.
All right.
He hasn't
Thank
talked
you.
to anybody yet.
All right. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Hernandez.
Ms. Hernandez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then there's somebody in the waiting room now, so we'll see who that is.
Okay. I'll be back in 5 minutes, Your Honor, okay?
Very well.
May I? Okay.
On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, ma'am, and state your name, please?
Yes, my name is Rachel Green.
Rachel Green. Why are you so late?
Yes. I had trouble with my phone.
I think she had an attorney. Did you have an attorney we appointed to you?
Yes, but due to the technical difficulties with my phone, I didn't get a call like yesterday. I know usually they'll call like the day before. The phone number that I have on file is not working right now.
Give me a second. I'll find out who it is. They were in
Okay,
here.
thank you.
Find out who Miss Green, please, Miss Mathis.
Judge, are you scheduled for court? That lady on the phone with Kimberly Dunn says she needs her firearm back. Found out who the attorney was for this year. Reagan.
Somebody said they were in here for, let's, run Gordon Griffin's license, please.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'm waiting on Miss Williams Law.
You want Gordon Griffin's license, correct?
Gordon Griffin's license, please.
I'm back, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Ramon Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants needs an appointed attorney.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of March the 30th, 2026, we'll appoint you one on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jose Antonio Garcia Flores, case number SP 185-31871. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garcia.
Jose Antonio Garcia Flores.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a
Pre-trial.
trial. Mr. Flores, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lever. Ms. Lever, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
I got it. I got it.
You got it,
Yeah.
okay.
All right. You want a trial date, Ms. Lever?
Yes.
All right. That trial date is going to be March the 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. This gentleman needs an interpreter, Miss Harris. This is the city of Detroit versus Armando Granados Mendez, case number SP 185-1753, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este acusado necesita intérprete, señora Harris. Este es el número. Esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Amado Granados Méndez. Número de caso SP 185-17531-2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Amado Granados Méndez.
Yes, my name is Amado Granados Méndez.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Mi nombre es Sherika Harris, representando al acusado.
Good morning to you, Mr. Mendez. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor Méndez. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para su consulta previa al juicio. Su abogada le va a conseguir un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con ese acuerdo, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada número 3.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada y díganos lo que quiere hacer una vez que salga de ella. Thank you.
Do you have something from them stating that they're requesting this?
Mr. Leggett, are you there?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. You need to turn your camera on. Everybody's got to turn their camera on when they come speaking. Good morning. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
No, it wasn't my car that I was driving. It's my deceased.
No, say less, ma'am. I'm gonna let you speak with an attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Matthew Dupree. Give him a call. That's everything. Dismissal. So I'll give him a call. Matthew Dupree will attorney to represent you. 313-65. It's like an order, it's a document. It's paper. Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Flores. Mr. Flores, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea to open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger.
So anytime you keep sharing drug information from me.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please.
Sure.
You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Draw your attention back to January 17th, 2026, around 8:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Well, what kind of alcohol did you have?
Dos hombres mezcal.
And was there something in the container?
Yes.
And was the container open?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, $240 is the fine. When can you pay it?
I can pay it tomorrow.
Pay it by March 13th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. The two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Olivia Janae Goss, case number SP 163977731, SP 1801791, SP 1801829, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goss.
Miss Olivia Goss, can you unmute yourself? State your name, please. Miss Olivia Goss. All right. I told her she was last, so she must have went to sleep. Fast the matter. What's going on, Drake?
All right.
You all right?
I'm good.
How's everything?
I can't complain.
That's what's up. Great to see you, man.
Miss Renfro out there. You Felicia Renfro?
Sure.
She says she knows you.
She can come in. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Gordon Eugene Griffin III, case number SP 185-37691. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Boyd Griffin.
State your name for the record, Mr. Griffin.
Gordon Eugene Griffin III.
Good morning to you. Date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Barrett, give Mr. Griffin an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
No problem.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Rim.
Y'all must have worked together a long time.
Long time. On the telephone at 313-809-6421. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Sheila Lee, my phone had one dead, so I had to call back
Okay.
in.
Very well.
Okay.
We were moving pretty good, but now we could have.
What was that?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right. Trial is going to be March the 30th, Mr. Griffin, March the 30th at 9 a.m., okay? If there's
Okay.
nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Alicia Kelly Lee, case number 18-391955, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lee.
State your name for the record, Ms. State your name for the record, please.
Sheila Kelly Lee.
All right. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Let the city know these are 2018 cases. Ms. Lee, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. She's in there. We'll pass the matter. You must have just woke up, Miss Goss.
No.
And there's nobody admits to that. Sometimes they do. I called your name, but you didn't answer. What's that?
I wasn't even on Zoom today.
You weren't on Zoom today?
Oh, no, like that.
Why would you need to be on that?
I went to be on there, you know, watch.
Oh, well, if you can help name some of the people or something, that would be the only thing, you know. Other than that, I don't.
Go report it. I'm over here, what?
I don't need you.
I mean, you don't need me.
Not on Zoom.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't recognize. I didn't
You wonder why I
recognize.
be on there?
I didn't recognize you not being on there.
That was slick there. Okay. That's what I.
No, you can come on if you want to, but I didn't
I
recognize
normally
you.
be on there. It's just, I just need to be on there.
That's for your own thing.
They do need to be named, though. We gotta work something out. The people, because
I'm naming them.
Oh, you've been naming them?
Yeah.
Because it helps, like that, the other day when that guy was acting up, he was in there with his girlfriend. Remember, he was acting up, and he left.
But that was his wife, he said.
Yeah, but
That's why I put the warrant out.
even,
His wife left.
even though that was, even people doing other people's licenses, I still changed to their name.
Oh,
Yeah, just to track them because.
I wish I did have his name.
Yeah, I do that in the afternoon. Yeah, but if I don't have a lot of, if I don't have stuff to type, I would love to be doing that. I'll be trying to get this stuff out. Now with the Kimberly lady who called about her gun.
Who?
She wants her gun back. So the registered action certified. They want a motion or dismissal order.
I don't know what they want. All right. They just give me a headache. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lee. Miss Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, trial. Miss Lee is going to be March the 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
Guys, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. March the 30th
At 9 a.m. Thank you.
at 9 a.m.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jerry Benson Gibson. Case numbers V5008722, SP1272837, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP127284441, SP1848101, and V10861519. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Jerry Benson Gibson.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the warrants and the show cause. Mr. Berry.
We would waive. Our client would stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, I enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. The one case on the record, there was, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases. Are you ready for the other 6, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Second auto license. Improper plate. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. And an occupant certificate. Mr. Gibson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Occupant what?
Certificate is certificate of occupancy. I'm thinking. I have that ticket here is a no city occupancy permit.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter.
What's that like, room service?
So
Emmanuel Grayson.
I don't know. Is he here for a review? No, he's here for show cause.
He needed to complete his, did you see?
Mr. Grayson,
Yes.
did you do your community service?
Well, I didn't get to do it. When I had on with you, my power had cut off and I couldn't even call. My power's still off at my house.
Did you ever talk to Miss Shelton?
No, I was never able to. My phone was off, my power was out, I had no Wi-Fi. I'm in the process. I just got my job back, so I'm in the process of getting all that done now.
You want to get her in here and see if they can talk?
Yeah. Hey, Miss Shelton, how are you? Mr. Emmanuel Grayson, he was assigned to service. He lost his promise. So I guess you guys may have to reach out to him, but we can't make contact. So he still needs to complete the junior service. Grayson. It is SP1 2 8 3 2. Probably something for no, he got some. He got some. He got 1, 2, 3, 4. He got 13 people. You say you guys probably wouldn't be able to reach out at this time. So how do you want me to call you? Yeah. Do you want him to call you or do you want to on your connection? He probably wasn't like. He played January 26th. He played to 12 hours and 20 service. His original review date was 2/20, 2/20. And then I set it for today for Showcase to see if he would come. Okay. Referral will go back in January. So, January 27th. The 7th is when we sent the referral. Let's see. 7th. I could just send you. So how do you want to make contact with him? Do you want to send in? You want me to phone you? Okay, hold on, let me try that. Okay, let me see. Let me see. So what do you want? Do you want Zoom to talk to me, or do you want me to send you a phone and you will reach out to me? Well, he's on Zoom. He's on Zoom. Yeah, I see. Let me see the spot. Just I can't reach it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, he had. Okay, I see. He hasn't been. $100.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mendez. Mr. Mendez, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en la caso del señor Granados Méndez. Señor Méndez, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora Harris, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Your Honor, he is going to enter a plea to the amended counts of allowing and limited access 1 to 5 over.
Señor, su señoría, él va a declararse, admitir que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara, que es el cargo enmendado, y también por el de que no paró, el cargo enmendado es de que iba entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del límite en una zona de acceso limitado.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Mendez?
Señor, ¿y usted desea tomar este acuerdo?
Okay, so.
Señor Méndez, yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Y usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Juro decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
I swear to tell the truth, only the truth, and all the truth.
And you can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar su mano, señor?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad por este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multas y costos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted usted entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de ir a un juicio si usted así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, su abogada, la señora Harris, le informó del resto de sus derechos, ¿no es así? Yes, yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
Ninguna.
None.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le acaban de ofrecer, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No, nadie.
No, nobody.
And let me draw your attention back to January 17th, 2026, around 10:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Springwells and Verner. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, el lugar y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 17 de enero del 2026, alrededor de las 10:17 de la noche, en las inmediaciones de la calle Springwells y la autopista Vernon en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿usted lo paró un policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
pero usted no me le pudo mostrar una licencia válida, ¿no es así?
Lo que pasa que como salí por mi esposa y como hago 10 minutos, se me olvidó mi cartera.
Okay, yes, since I was going just to pick up my wife very early for 10 minutes, something very quick, I mean, and I forgot my wallet.
Okay, I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240. I'll dismiss upon payment.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara con una multa de $240 y el caso será desestimado una vez que el mismo sea pagado.
Acepto.
With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter and stipulate the probable cause for the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
Está bien, entonces con la estipulación de la causa probable, voy a desestimar el otro cargo y con la estipulación de las bases de fundamento para la emisión del otro ticket.
So stipulated, Your Honor, as to both.
Está bien, su señoría, estipulado para los dos.
I'll find them responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop at a stop sign. I won't fine them for that. $240, when can you pay?
Está bien, entonces yo lo voy a encontrar responsable de la boleta enmendada de que tenía entre 1 y 5 millas por exceso de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado, que es por el cual se está enmendando el ticket original de que no paró en un stop. Por eso no le voy a poner ninguna multa. Por lo tanto, la multa total va a ser de esos $240. ¿Cuándo la puede pagar?
Next week.
Next week.
Siguiente semana.
Next week.
Next week, pay it by March the 20th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, you and your family have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Le voy a dar hasta el día 20 de marzo del 2026 para que pague esos $240. Lo puede pagar en los kioscos, que son como unas máquinas de banco que están alrededor de la ciudad, que se llaman DivDat. Puede también, si quiere, bajar la aplicación de esos kioscos en su teléfono y pagarlas por el teléfono en los mismos kioscos, o puede venir en persona a la corte y pagarle la taquilla. Esas son las mejores formas que yo le puedo recomendar de que haga el pago.
Entiendo.
I understand.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, la mejor de las suertes para usted. Que tenga muy buen día. Se puede retirar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right.
Gracias.
All right. This is Ms. Hernandez. If you don't have anything further, I'll see you soon.
Okay, I have two more, but I think that they never show.
I don't see them.
Okay.
All
So I
right.
will put them as no show. Thank you, Your
Very
Honor.
well. See you later.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Olivia Janae Goss. Case number SP 163-97731, SP 180-17941. And these three are in default. SP 180-1829, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goss, please state your name.
Olivia Goss.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands muted.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. The three tickets are an improper equipment, defective brake light, and a no insurance proof, which is probably affecting her ability to get a license, at least down here. Ms. Goss, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Ms. Shelton, good morning to you. Thank you for zooming in. Mr. Grayson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Shelton. See if you guys see if you can come to an understanding of when you can get these hours done, okay?
All right.
Oh, wait a minute.
Go ahead.
Hours of community service for no insurance.
The first one, yeah.
And then he was supposed to go get a license and come back. But he never did.
But he never did. All right. Join the room, please.
They're supposed to do a total of 100.
Yeah, hours of community
He
service.
told him to do 6 hours, his license come back, and then I guess he was gonna do something with his license.
Yeah, but she's gonna do it now. Let's go back on the record. Were you ready on anybody, Mr. Berry?
I believe we lost Mr. Gibson, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Keith Glenn. Case number SP 1080. Wait a minute. He had requested an attorney. Hold on, let me get that attorney. We'll pass this matter. Can we find out who his attorney is? Let me call the city of Detroit versus Alicia Leggett. Case number SP 1854991, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on
Yes.
behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Leggett.
Alicia Scheherazade Leggett.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Leggett, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in the breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
That's the matter.
Yeah, I just sent you a notice of appointment. I sent it on 2/17, but I never got anything back for it. I sent it to the IC. I just recently emailed to you. See. Okay, thank you. All right. Let me just take a look at this one. I can't understand what the first one is. The second one is failed to report an accident.
First one is failure to display FTDS.
Oh, it is. Okay, thank you. And this is an order from the probation department. They want to do some of this money to community service.
She's finding out who Glenn's attorney is.
I sent one on 217 requesting one, but
I know.
they never went. So when I request one, they send an email back to me telling me who it is. That's why when you ask me, I just run it through my email. And I mean, find out who it is. But they didn't send me nothing. It's a mistake.
Mr. Lynch.
Yes, Your Honor.
This one ticket is a dumping. I fined $500 on the dumping tickets. And I think it's a 12-month delayed sentence. Do you want me to appoint you an attorney?
That's for me. Oh, Your Honor, I had paid the $800. $800.
I know that's a whole nother deal. That's a civil case. It's a whole nother deal. But I can appoint you an attorney, or I can let you speak to you can speak to an attorney today, but I can appoint you an attorney. But that's what I do for the dumping cases. $500 penalty.
On top of the 800 I just paid?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
I'll
let you
right now.
I'll let you.
Huh?
Ms. Shelton, good morning to you.
Okay, I did speak with Mr. Grayson, Your Honor. I told him that I would take his referral, let it be forwarded over to me, and I've already assigned him or pretty much to where he's going to go for his community service hours. So I'll be sending his information out to him. I just need the referral, the current referral forwarded over for the whole time, because the first one I think was only for 6. This would be for all the hours.
A driver's license, but yeah, get that out of the way. But all right, I'm trying to bring them back in, and we'll get them out of here. Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Glenn.
I didn't pick up your last transmission. Did you say?
Are you
Glenn?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready.
City of Detroit versus Keith Marvin Glenn, case number SP 108-0808, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 109-5418, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 109-5419, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 111-6035, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-0657, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 161-5701, 1. SP 170-0915, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 181-5221, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 187-01341. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Glenn, state your full name.
Keith Marvin Glenn.
Thank you.
Day is date time set for a pretrial. Mr. Glenn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Boffman. He may attempt to get you an updated offer, may set it for another day, since he's just meeting you. And let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer.
Thank you.
Pass the matter.
Now you're saying that you did it, and then all of a sudden.
All right, let's go on. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Emmanuel Sean Grayson, case number SP 112-48312, SP 113-03071, SB 11661414, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 133-63341, SB 148-18813, SB 148-18821, SB 158-85461, SB 165-9821, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 165-98261, SB 168-36781, State of Michigan versus Emmanuel Sean Grayson, case number SX 420-62652. Ms. Grayson, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Emmanuel Grayson.
All right. Ms. Shelton, good morning to you. Can you put your name and your title on the record, please?
Yes, Alan Shelton, Community Service Specialist.
Okay, so you two have talked and spoken, right?
Yes,
And you just need a referral?
yes, for the total hours that Mr. Grayson will be doing for his community service.
And I said 100 hours, or what did I say the last time?
I had a referral for 6 hours to start with because I believe Mr. Grayson was supposed to appear in court on a quick turnaround for just for reinstatement, I believe, of his driver's license, but something happened that he was not able to. So I'm just looking now just to do his total referral.
Yeah, I think it was originally for 100 hours. Yes, we'll clear up everything. All right, so I'll write the referral, refer to community service. All right, I'm gonna have you back, sir, in 30 days. I don't necessarily think you're gonna get all that done, maybe not in 30 days, but let's try to get the bulk of it done and we can clear some of this stuff up. We'll see where you are.
All right.
Come back on April the 13th, 6 at 8:25, okay?
All right.
And you guys exchanged contact information and everything?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Sheldon and Mr. Grayson. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Leggett. Ms. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the expired plates as charged. The insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to do that, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of expired plates, Ms. Leggett. Well, as charged, the expired plate, $145. When can you pay it?
Okay. 30 days.
Pay it by April the 13th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, ma'am, and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. And what will I have to put in at the kiosk?
DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T. You just put your name or the case number.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Berlin Lynch Jr. Case number V1404066. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lynch.
Berlin Lynch Jr.
Your Honor,
Right.
for purposes of arraignment, we would stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Lynch. Or good afternoon now. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. I already gave him his offer, 12-month delayed sentence, $500 fine, due in a month. Mr. Lynch, join the room. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter.
Oh, Harry Bachman came out. I'm sorry. Thank you. The Harry.
He's here.
He's here. He's here. Thank you. Six. We got proof that she completed her community service back in 2024. I pulled up the whole thing, and she did complete it. But her biggest problem is that she don't come to court. So now,
You can dismiss it if it's complete.
okay, I just got you.
Well, who's her file?
It's probably over 336. Since they took over letter O's, they wouldn't help her. So this is.
And how did she call or something?
They told her to call, she couldn't remember where she did it, who she did it with, so before I was just got off the phone talking to them, print you a summary.
I'll keep Garrett never paid.
I think most of these tickets listed.
Javier Gonzalez.
This is 5.
See if Javier Gonzalez did his community service. You know.
plea because my co-defendant already started taking plea deals.
I don't see where either, but it's the prosecutor's responsibility to reach out to.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynch. Mr. Lynch, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to enter a plea based on the offer of a 12-month delayed sentence.
You don't want to try to fight it?
Well, Your Honor, the detective had mentioned to me that if I paid an $800 fine, that this would be dismissed. He said I wouldn't even have to go to court.
Well, then bring the detective in here. I'll set a trial date. This offer is going to be the same all day. So we'll set a trial date and have that conversation with the detective. You want to take that opportunity?
This is what he told me.
All right, I don't know that. So like I say, only way I can get that information is we bring the detective in. And we can bring him in on the trial date. If he doesn't come in, the case is dismissed. But if he comes in and does that, then if he honors what he said, I'm sure the city will honor it.
Okay, well, let's just set the trial date.
All right. Trial date is going to be March the 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Lynch. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
City of Detroit versus Paris, Chris Gloucester. Case number SP13119571. SP1847290, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1847291. State of Michigan versus Paris, Chris Gloucester. Case number SX4388498, counts 1 and counts 2. And then we also have 217325181. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gloucester.
Paris, Chris Gloucester.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I should say this good afternoon. Mr. Gloucester, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right, thank you.
Pass the matter. Take your hat off and stuff when you come back too as well. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goss. Ms. Goss, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing and 1 count of improper equipment with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Turn your camera on.
Okay.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine, the misdemeanor offense?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You know, Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did she not?
She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Mm-hmm.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to
Come here.
September 5th, 2025 at around 7:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Ferry. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes. Wait, say the date.
September the 25th, 2025, around 7:57 a.m. in the city of
Yes.
Detroit, in the area of Woodward and Ferry. Did you come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes. I'm here.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
A license.
No license?
No.
All right. And will you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Ms. Harris?
Stipulated, Your Honor, stipulates a probable cause
Yes.
for the dismissal.
Put in your pocket.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for that's charged to the improper equipment. I won't fine her for that. And I'll find her guilty as to the amended count of allowing for not having a license. That fine is gonna be $240. I will dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, ma'am?
So currently I just got another, I'm working with other courts as well. So can I ask for maybe a payment plan?
I'll give you till April the 13th, 2026
So
to
they
either
gave me
pay.
until April as well for $375. But I also go to school, I have to pay tuition and
You haven't let
I
me
pay.
finish. You haven't let me finish.
Okay.
I'll give you till April 13th to either pay it. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. Do that on or before April 13th. Come back April 13th. Let us know what you did, ma'am. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. City of Detroit versus DeMario and Antonio Lee Lathan. Case number SP 107-7309. Count 1, SP 107-81171. SP 131-35761. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record. And I think he's in the waiting room, Your Honor.
All right, he had his officer, one officer showed, the other didn't. And I don't know what the officer did with the case, but Mr. Lathan. Mr. Lathan.
Yes, sir. Are you calling me?
Yeah, good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. State the record, please.
DeMario Latham.
All right, day is date and time set for a trial. Again, one officer appeared and the other officer didn't. That would be Officer Hemplet. Parinelli did not appear. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the rec. Oh, no, not yet. Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Keith Glenn. Mr. Boffman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Good morning, good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. He is going to ask that this matter be reset for pretrial. I have parsed through the great number of cases that he's had previously out here in warrant status. And we're gonna get him his driver's license back, and he's already got some of the other documents he needs. There is one questionable case of open alcohol from 2020, but we can probably get to some sort of resolution. Pretrial, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
March the 30th, 2026 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, Mr. Glenn, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you again, Your Honor. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye. City, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to 4 matters. They are failure to display.
Let me stop. I didn't let Mr. Gloucester know that he owes a no insurance proof. You owe many other matters, but only the no insurance proof, it seems like it's affecting your ability to get a valid driver's license. That's sitting at $240 right now. If you want to pay it and see if you can get a license and come back, we can do that. But if not,
is it possible that you can get me community service for it? Because right now I'm in a financial problem. Right.
Just for that one, or for every?
Well, for all of them, if you can, Your Honor.
All right. Well, why don't we do this? Why don't we get you the 6 hours of community service right now?
Okay.
That's going to clear the no insurance proof. That's the one that's affecting your ability to get a license, at least with the 36th District Court. I don't know what your tickets look like in other jurisdictions, but if you come back with a valid driver's license, you'll be in a lot better position to negotiate.
Okay.
So 6 hours of community service will clear the no insurance proof. Give me a good phone number for you.
313-576-7687.
I'm gonna refer to community service. I'm gonna have you back for a pretrial on March the 30th, 2026, or as soon as you complete those community service hours.
Okay.
That way, if you get them done today, if you get them done real quick, you can come back in that whenever day you're done with them, or the next day, and then we'll dismiss we'll close out the no insurance proof, and then you can go back to the Secretary of State, and hopefully you'll be set by March the 30th.
Okay.
That's your next court date, March 30th. But again, Ms. Shelton should call you. Can we get a referral to probation for him? 6 hours of community service, and then just remind me. When you come back, you might not be on the docket, but I'll remind me, and the no insurance proof. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
All right, and remind me so that once you're done with that hour, zoom back in, and we can close it out. You can go to Secretary of State.
Okay.
Your court date for now is going to be March 30th.
Okay, got you.
That one you have to come back in. The other one you come back in if you can. But I would, if you don't, then it's not going to get closed. Not going to get closed out, and we'll be doing it. All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, Mr. Gloucester. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Rachel Lanise Green, case number U646-17422, SP 1829921, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1829928-1, SP 1830351, SP 183035551. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, When is he returning for the 6 hours?
Whenever he can.
Yeah.
Mr. Berry, did Mr. Berry fall off? Oh, man. Mr. Berry fell off. State your name for the record, Miss Green.
Rachel Green.
You ran Mr. Berry away.
Not I ran him away.
You missed your court date too. Did you ever get a call from an attorney?
Yeah, I had stated that when I got on here earlier. The phone number that's on the record, I had technical difficulties with, so I didn't get a call from him yesterday, but I was aware that I was supposed to be on here today, and it was Mr. Berry. And I just seen that he just left out
It
the
wouldn't have been Mr.
stream.
Berry that would have. It wouldn't have been Mr. Berry that would have called you. I'm gonna appoint you a new attorney. I need a good phone number.
Um,
Do you want to put it in the chat, or what do you want to do?
I got a phone number for you.
Hold on a second.
I just submitted Barry.
I did too.
Oh, you did?
All right. You want to put it in the chat, ma'am, so you don't have to say it all out loud on Zoom?
Okay.
I'll send you a note. Turn your background noise off, please. Was there ever an attorney appointed to her?
I can check.
You can check. Nah. Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record for Miss
Do you want me to phone?
Green. You can. Is he the attorney?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Green. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Rachel Green.
Well, I think we have the attorney now. I think we have the one already in the system. I wonder if he's still going to be on it.
I'm so sorry for your loss. Brandon, can you tell us what happened? We were at the beach.
Ms. Green, can you turn your background noise off or down?
Hold on.
Please. I know you want to watch your favorite TV show, but give us a minute.
I don't even watch TV. That's my uncle. I have an older uncle that I sit for.
All right. Let's go off the record with Green. Gibson never showed back up. Jerry, or that was, I think that was that you, Jerry Gibson?
Yes.
And you didn't complete your conversation with him?
Well, I didn't complete it. He had the 6 matters off docket, and we were going through it, and he just dropped off.
Okay.
Hey, I'm trying to reach Sam, radio attorney.
Your Honor, are you expecting me tomorrow in the that other matter?
Yes. Can you make it?
I can make it. I'd like to know the address.
Yeah, I'm going to get that to you, and I was going to send you that other podcast too. I got that today.
I'd appreciate it.
I'm going to confirm. I'll call you later on and make sure we confirm and make sure they're all set. As long as they're good, we're good.
You had a
okay.
Another. We adjourned, but it wasn't for sure. Yes. Well, I need to name. That we adjourn. Okay, so we adjourn to March the 30th. That's okay. Are you able to zoom in on this now? You want the Zoom meeting ID number? No, this is Judge Perkins. I'm sending it. Just a PDF. Okay, so this is Rachel Green. Today. We just need your presence in court. We need you to make contact with her so you can represent her. Let's just reconnect. Okay. Here, we got a meeting ID number. Here. Okay, 360. That's okay. Okay. Yeah, she's present. That's why we put you in. I'm gonna see if we can connect right.
Okay. Attorney Ragnow, good morning to you, or good afternoon again. Can you let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Attorney, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
First of all, Your Honor, I sincerely apologize to you and to Ms. Green and to your clerks for us not handling this morning. My name is Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of the defendant, Rachel Green.
No apologies necessary. Miss Green is the one that came in late, and she did not. This was supposed to make contact with you.
I have had plenty of contact, a lot of contact with her, and
oh, you have? I thought she
have.
said she talked to anyone because her phone number was not working at the time. But let's do this. You want to set a new date?
Yes, please.
She's got a new phone number.
Okay, let's do that. That'd be great. Whatever's convenient for the court.
And I've got two numbers. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her, have a brief conversation, and make sure that the contact numbers are correct. I have two numbers here. Just have a brief conversation, and I'll just set another pretrial date for the 30th of March. Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Okay.
At 8:30 a.m. And if you don't have any further questions for the court, you or Ms. Green, you're free to leave after you're done with the conversation.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, Ms. Green.
Did they do the community service?
Gonzalez, Javier.
Yeah.
The call cannot be completed.
I have a meeting I have to do.
Is it on Zoom?
That was starting at 12.
Is it on Zoom?
Yep.
Ooh.
Good afternoon, community service.
Ms. Shelton, I got you on speakerphone. Did we, were
Okay.
we able to verify Javier Gonzalez?
I believe.
If he was found suspect. Okay, hold on, let me double check that. Oh. Let's see. Let's see, he was originally scheduled for 2020. So, let me see. But I'm let me check since it was. That's what people are gonna start missing. Another indication. His original start date was April.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lathan. Mr. Lathan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. There was no recollection.
No recollection, case dismissed, sir. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You pay the reinstatement fee. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
You still owe us some money to the court, a lot of money to the court, all right?
You said what?
You still owe money to the court from some old matters.
Okay, I'll get it taken care of.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, you too.